it's Kaden here, and welcome back. I'm sorry I didn't make a video yesterday, and if I'm not mistaken, the day before yesterday, but I'm not taking the dog out because he puked in our house. We're gonna watch this movie. You know that bald guy from all the Fast and Furious movies and stuff. Well, we're gonna watch that, and it's he babysits these kids. And he goes in the sewer and stuff. Gross, taking school. And there's this little girl that's in a little cookie sally thing. Cookie scout. It looks like a cookie scout thing. But yeah, we're gonna watch that movie in 6 or 10 minutes. We're just waiting for it to come on. Then, I'm taking test out. So, I don't know what to do. Please leave a comment. What should I do for my next video? Should I do a music video or should I do one of these vlogs like I always do? Because, yeah. Please do that. Yeah. I'm doing this on my phone. Of course I do. Oh wait, I see a little spider. Hashtag fire. You can't see it. It's very high. Testing. It wouldn't be. I'm just. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Bye.